Yes, DJ nga Rod, still the challenge is there because we're still experiencing the crisis. Adala ta digiti efforts tayo met nga pasangbay kadagiti turista tayo. Our tourists destinations are now being maintained digijay kas lang kumaligita market kadada amin basic met ket didera apo nga isagsagana tayo daldalusan tayo ta especially kadeto yung summer season ket aduda digiti namnamaen tayo latta we are still hoping for it ken digijay met in lunch tayo nga inrugi tayo ka DJ peak season nga idi Holy Week ket agtultuloy latta we have the Pasalubong Center and the plaza we are really making it as much as possible a park for the people especially for the gitay tourists na mabalinda nga pagpicturan kadaan for the landmarks makita met ngamin amin ditan and also our program for the Kalesa still continues at Dadalata and we have designated some areas for them and we really encourage them nga at dadadagiti met haan nga tay kasang humati basit lang iti oras ti pinagpasada da if it is possible syempre summertime at dapat medyo nagvalue pa digiti daduman they wanna go out in the afternoon where it is not so hot kasi napudot nga talaga met ti klima itatta so ada digiti iti mga yatag pasyar both locals and visitors nga iti malem ken iti rabii iso nga nabagaan damit and take na kung they're organizing themselves also to really establish their association tapno na urnos iti programa nga maiimplementa regarding them. And aside from that, we are also anticipating groups and activities such as DJ nga Rod, we're anticipating the Tour of Luzon participants kadeto in May. Ken, if I'm not mistaken, kadeti actually nga lawas ng Rugida nga nagsangpeten, dito pa nag-host tayo dito in Norte, particularly the province of Ilocos Norte of the Little League. So, more on sports tourism dito namnamain tayong nga antisiparan tayong ana tayo itata. So, hopefully the sector the tourism sector is going to somehow overcome it ito'y crisis nga man ana tayo tatakasin apon Diyos at dadalat tamet ito'y an antisiparan tayo nga bisbisita tayo